As you guys could see right now, it went into supervisory. They silenced it. And it's acting like the HVAC system started smoking, but it's not. The pipe busted over here. Like, look, busted over there, right where that ladder's at, as you guys can see. It's acting like there's a HVAC fault, but no. This busted. See, look. Busted water pipe. As you guys can see. It may have ruined the speaker. It's like at the HVAC system, you could see. And this is where the air handler is at. And then it's acting like the HVAC system started smoking. And it got inside the smoke detector, and now the smoke detector is ruined.